Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshan, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about what is HTML. So we are going to learn here what is HTML. Last video or previous video I showed you what is web development or how to create websites. In this tutorial I will show you what is HTML, and here we are beginning with HTML. So it is the only markup language used to create the website, and as I said in the previous video, it is the bone or structural part of the website. Then how to use HTML or program it? Two things come into play: what is comprised of or what is HTML comprised of, and tools we use to create it. So what are the tools needed? The interesting part that you all are waiting for, what tools should we use to create, but it's not that interesting actually. You will just need one software that's built in your PC. It's a text editor. But in further slide I will suggest you one text editor which you need to install. So what the HTML is made up of, in simple word or in one word, it consists of tag. But let me explain. Another programming languages use syntax or code to program, but this programming language do not need any syntax or code. It uses simple tags, which I will show you in the next slide. So tags, what are they? So now what are the tags, you ask? Basically tags are nothing but the less than sign and the greater sign and a slash consisted tag. So this tag which doesn't consist slash is the opening, and which consists of tag is the closing tag. So what are the types of tag? There are basically two types of tag: self-closing and one that needs a closing tag. For example, this is the opening tag without the slash, and this is the closing tag with the slash. But there are some tags that don't need the closing tag, that are called as self-closing tag. I will show you further, so don't get confused right now. Installing the software. Although I am not going to show you to install any software, but I am going to suggest you one software. So now we start the real part of the tutorial, the installation process. My suggestion: although you can use the built text editor notepad, but I will suggest to use Sublime Text. Why? Because it has some perks, and further I will show you when I install it in the next video. The HTML boilerplate. If you are familiar with HTML, then you must be knowing this, but if you don't, I got you covered. So what is HTML boilerplate? You can see the image over here. I will explain in the next slide. So first, as you can see, the first tag is doc type HTML. So what is doc type HTML? This tag arises the most of the question. First, why do we use it? In simple word, we use it to just specify that we are using HTML or the latest version of HTML to code the page. So next tag is HTML tag. HTML tag, this tag is used or is there for creating an enclosure for writing your tags. As you can see over here, the HTML tag is on the top and the bottom, and all the tags are inside of this. It is arranged like, you can understand that all the tags are inside this. So that's it. It creates an enclosure for typing all the code inside it. Further I will explain why we do that, and so don't get confused right now. Please watch it till the end. Head and body tag. Don't misunderstand head with header. Head is used to create or store links or the metadata of the website. I will explain deeply in the next video, so don't get confused right now. I am saying it again and again. The body tag. The body tag is the for example, the head is the brain and the body tag is the body of the human body. So you can say all the images, text are consisted in the body, and all the links and metadata consisted in the head. So if you have learned anything from this video, thanks for watching. Share if you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more videos. Comment for any queries. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video.